Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Oman. On tonight's menu, Omani Mishkak and Chelow. The morning mise en place. Just after prep, the mise en place for the marinade and beef. Everything in the food processor except for the beef. Here it is all blended together. Here's the beef being marinated and in the cold box for the rest of the day. Here's the mise en place for the chelow. I rinse the rice. Then I soak the rice for about 30 minutes. And then I strain the rice. Here's the build station for the skewers. All the beef skewered up. It brings the water to boil. I add the rice and parboil it for about 7 minutes. Then I drain the rice. Then I melt some butter in the same saucepan. I add the rice back in with all the herbs and garlic. And here it is all just mixed together. And then it simmers on low for 30 minutes. Here's everything ready to griddle. First side of the kebabs. Flip second side. The chelow is done. The mishkak is done. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.